If the text on your device is too small or the contrast isn't right, you may find the screen very difficult to read. Luckily, these are settings which can be changed. Once you have unlocked your Apple device, find the Settings icon. It's grey and looks like an image of gears. If it's not on the first screen you see, you may need to swipe between screens to find it. Once you've found it, click on it. Navigate to the Accessibility tab. It's blue and has a white stick man on it. Let's start with changing the way the text on the screen looks. Scroll down and tap the setting called Display and Text Size. To make the text bold, you can toggle the switch to the right of this setting on and off by tapping it. If you would like to make the text itself bigger, you can tap the larger text setting just underneath. Here, you can drag the slider in the center of the screen left to make the text smaller and right to make it larger. If this is still not large enough, there is a switch in the top right of the screen to toggle on larger accessibility sizes. By toggling this on, you are able to make the text even larger using the same slider. Next, let's look at changing the contrast of the screen. To go back to the previous screen, tap the back button. Scroll down slightly until you reach a setting called Increase Contrast. This has a switch to the right of it to toggle it on and off. This makes the darker colours on the screen a little bit deeper, making the light colours stand out more. If you need more contrast, scroll down some more until you find the Smart Invert setting. Once again, this could be toggled on and off with the switch to the right of the setting. This reverses the colours of the screen, so your background will appear much darker and text will be much lighter and stand out more, without affecting the contrast of pictures. Hopefully, these settings will make your device much easier to read and use.